me showing you guys how to make slime only with one product is shampoo, and I'm using cocoa butter and Sia, I think. Body wash, only body wash. So you only put it in there. And I'm keeping mine overnight. I've never seen any video like this. And you put how much you want. I want to watch. So a lot in there. And it ain't all coming out. There. Got it. And I'm getting something mixed with, and it's this. You don't need it, but I am. So I'll just keep it overnight. And it smells really delicious. Just to keep it smell it. So keep it overnight, and I'm going to put it in the freezer. I mean, the fridge. So, yeah. Bye.